Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose colors from a photo in Canva. So if you have your design and you want to add a picture and you want to add colors from an image that you want to add in your design, this is super easy to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on upload right here, guys, and you can see that I have some photos, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my file explorer and find something that I could possibly use. So let's say I want to use the affinity logo right here with this color. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to simply drag it into my Canva design. And as you can see right here, it is there. Now, let's say I want to add this into my design or whatever, and I also want to use the color somewhere whatsoever, right? So all I have to do really is simply go ahead and click the area that I want to change the color, then click on the color or the background color right here if I want to change that. Then here under photos, you will see photo color, and it's going to always detect the colors that is inside your photos. As you can see, I have two photos uploaded and at my design, and it's picking up the colors for both of them. So let's say I want to use this one here. I can click on it and it's going to change the background. As you can see, whatever it is that I want to use, I can, as you can see, from any design, it is there for me to use it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to use colors from photos in Canva.